Hello. In the last video, you learned about hierarchical clustering. In this video, you are going to learn about k-means clustering method. So we are going to use the same data set with the 52 samples and approximately 6900 genes that we will create the simple pipeline in the unsupervised learning section of the T-BioInfo platform. Navigate to the unsupervised learning area under data mining and upload the file as before. Then create your pipeline as we are going to discuss. First of all, you need to click on the Start module. Click OK. And now you need to click on the k-means module. Now let's see what should be the values of the parameters. For the number of iterations, set 10,000. For clusters expected count, set a value of 5. And for do transpose, set to true means that we cluster samples. False would lead to clustering features, that is in our case of genes. Give your pipeline an original undescriptive name and then run the pipeline. As before, you may click on My Pipelines and periodically check the status of your pipeline. This is a fast pipeline, so it should finish quickly. After the pipeline has finished, clicking on the name of your pipeline will bring you to a list of folders. K-means does not have a visual output. So let's take a look at the table of samples with a cluster assigned to each sample. Clusters table only will have the result in a tabular format. To quickly check whether the output corresponds to known cancer subtypes, we can add the subtype labels to each sample name and sort the table by cluster ID. Now, to interpret your result in the tabular format, you can refer to lesson 13 of transcriptomics on the OmicsLogic portal.